Oh, it's absolutely delicious. Vegan samosas from Indian Delights. Oh, very good. Wee wee, it's very good. I've had the curry, and now, it's very delicious. Spicy. That is very spicy. Delicious. Chester Market, the best food in town. Indian Delight. Yes, with a vegan dog. You're not having mine, you know. I will get cross if you try and touch that. It's too spicy for you. It'll be up. Our vegan samosas, absolutely delicious. Look at that. Oh la 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 la. Yes, we go back to the other store we like as well. He's got all sorts there. I brought Chester students made these ecological straws, metal straws, and the flasks. I bought them. I'm going to take them another video of that. I'll run out of battery. That's the Story House over there, the cinema theatre. That's the black and white Tudor of Chester. That is such delicious food. Oh, it was only £3.50 for the 2 samosas. That's not bad, considering we got Brexit prices increases and Ukraine war price increases. Oh, I feel much better. Story House. Lots of Christmas markets. They're German, so Brigadiers shouldn't be happy about that either. Well, I mean, Christmas markets are a German invention, right? The Christmas tree. Brigadiers shouldn't have Christmas trees. Nope. There we go.